Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. This is my radiation detector designed for microfare oven radiation detection, and any other handheld radios or mobile phone will work with this. As you can see, as I push the radio scratch, you can see that we have detection here. It's working pretty well. I think within a 2 meter it's working. Let's open what's inside and see what's inside. Very simple. It's just one cable and one view meter. The point is that we have one RF silicon diode over here. It should be germanium diode, because we don't have any positive negative roll over the diode, so it is only one VU meter and one diode. One more time I will test it. You can see I made something like this with two diodes, two germanium diodes. This one is VU meter and two germanium diodes, like that. I will push. Let me show these two close to each other and push. You can see my homemade germanium diodes also work as well as this one that I paid for. This is very nice for radiation